Okay, today I'm going to show you the child locks in an Austin Allegro. This is high technology for 1977. There you are, open from the inside, child escapes. Press that button, no sore bottom. It'll still be open from the outside. This is a lock here. There you are, this was high technology in 1977.
So did the kids get out cars before then?
Yes, I think they ran away and then ate ice creams.
So was it a safety feature?
Yeah, to stop them falling out. Because in my day, if you fell out, it was your own fault and then you get another doing.
And was there seatbelts in the...
Oh, seatbelts, no. Didn't even have back seats. People used to sit in the back of their van in their dad's toolbox.
So the kids were getting out when mum and dad's driving the car, and then...
That's it. Better open that because I end up... It's going to turn into a rape van. Have a wee look in here at the...
As you can see, no seatbelts in the rear. So it was really important for cars to have that safety feature in those days, because obviously if you're driving down a motorway and then the kid tries to get out, then it was quite easy without the child-proof lock. So they put in the child-proof lock to prevent that from happening, kids falling out the cars, which you don't want.
Unless you're dropping it off at Bernardo's. That's it.